Meaning of gen.
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 Gov. The word gen is primarily British slang and has a few different meanings. One definition is to make an exaggerated or distorted facial expression, often for comedic effect. Another use of the term is in reference to an informal dance move that involves contorting one's body in a silly way. In some regions, gen is also used as a verb to describe the act of complaining or grumbling. Overall, gen is a playful and informal word that is typically used to describe humorous or light-hearted situations.